Alright guys, we're out here. We waited a little bit. It looks like it's already a lot of daylight out, but light's barely coming out. I think we could barely see the mountain. We're out here in George Basin. Need it all the way back in here. Probably gonna walk somewhere around that side. I'll try to glass that ridge across. Maybe go up in there, or if not, go down and, I don't know, figure something out. But we are out here on the White Mountain Apache Indian Reservation. My brother's whitetail archery whitetail hunt, Zone 2. Stay tuned. You might chase them all off. Glass across. Let me see something. See nothing yet. Still glassing. See anything here? I'm gonna check this other ridge on the other side of this. Hopefully we can pick something up. Stay tuned. Something's gonna go down any minute, so just hang on. Stay tuned. I got one spotted. Window right there. you guys. It happens. Brother missed. I'm trying to look for him. He took off, but no range. There's some elk right there coming up at us. 2 nice bucks. This way. Somewhere down. I think they ran down, though for sure, but we're just gonna side hill. Go back around toward the truck. There it goes. Other than that, there's elk in there. They're running from something. They came running up out of nowhere, so I'm pretty sure those whitetails ran down. Time to go back to the truck. I gotta try a different area. My brother has one more arrow, so I don't know what we're gonna do, but I don't know. Probably head to a different area. Check a new location. One more shot left. Try to make it happen. Good day today. Nice and cold. We're soaked. Part of hunting, right? Because of him this morning. He pushed that bow with there. What do you gotta say? That's all you, huh? My brother just missed that. Ran up the hill and he missed another. Now we're heading out and going to another. Came out of here. We're back on the main road. We're gonna head up this way, check a canyon. The aftermath of my truck though, wasn't too bad. All I did was walk through all the mud. New location. Check these canyons. Glass across. Try to do a little bit of rattling. See if something will come up out of these canyons. Canyon right on the other side of this. Go back to you guys if we see anything. Well, nothing on this walk. Really no whitetail tracks. We walked on that ridge. Going back that way, we looked across. Glass, there's nothing. No sign. Just a bunch of cow tracks. Come back here at the truck. Figure out what we're gonna do. If not, this is probably where the video will end. We're gonna head back home. I don't know, I'm completely soaked. My clothes are all wet. My boots are fine, it's just my shirt, my jacket up underneath. Things all wet, so we're gonna go head on out, figure out what we're gonna do next.